What's up everybody, it's your friend Michael from Artworks LA. Just wanted to stop in and say hi, and also wanted to wish you and all your loved ones well and health and happiness. And I really miss being in the classroom, really miss spending time with everybody, but I do look forward to the day when we can all make art, have fun, and have a good time like we usually do. Now I want to invite you all to do a drawing activity. I thought maybe since we haven't seen each other in so long that we can draw some cartoon self-portraits. For anybody that would like further support, I'll be demonstrating how to draw a cartoon character from scratch, demonstrating sketching techniques, and using lines and shapes to create our characters. For those of you that are already motivated to create, go ahead and start creating your character. You can also jump into the demo and jump out at any time, utilizing whatever it is you need. Next, I'll show you my cartoon character. It's done in a cartoon style, inspired by the characters called Precious Moments, which was really popular back in the day for some reason. Here's an example of a portrait that my cousin drew of me from 15 years ago. Now we can get started. The demo will be based on these characters because they're kind of simple and pretty fun. Feel free to draw one or both. I usually start off my drawings by doing little warm-up activities such as doodles, creating circles over and over, and then making lines over and over. Next, I like to practice sketching by making lighter lines and then darker lines. For anybody that only draws stick figures, that's a great thing because we're going to be using them for this activity. What's cool about stick figures is that something that's drawn so simple can indicate so much. It can indicate the gesture or movement of a character, which we'll be using when we develop our characters. Now we can get started. First step, we'll start by sketching in the shape of the head and use lines to show the gesture of the pose of these characters. Next, we'll draw shapes to symbolize the upper body, lower body, and the feet. While drawing the face, we can sketch in measurement lines so we can keep our features in proportion, meaning the features will be the right size and located in the right place that we intend. The measurement lines are one line sketched vertically down the middle. It helps keep our facial features even on each side of the face. Next, we're going to draw 3 horizontal lines going across the face where the eyes, the nose, and the mouth can sit. Now that we have our facial proportions set up, we can sketch in the details of the face, as well as sketch in the shape of the hair and the shape of the hair accessories. Next, we'll move on to drawing the body, focusing on the arms and the upper body first, and then moving down. Since we have our line drawing for the arm, next we can start to lay in the shape for the shoulder, the forearm, and the hand. Then we can sketch in the shape of the clothing and the details. Feel free to take creative liberties while doing this project. For example, I'd rather draw my characters without bare feet. I'd rather give them shoes. Specifically, I'd rather give them Converse, some Chuck Taylors. So I'm going to start drawing in some Chucks while I develop my character. Now that we have our characters sketched out, our last step will be to refine our characters. This means we'll start erasing all of our sketch marks, and we'll start to make our line works darker and cleaner. Boom, now we're done. So now that we finished our drawings, I really look forward to seeing what everybody created, and I also really look forward to hearing from you all. You're also welcome to include any objects, items, or significant symbols that describe what make you happy or describe something about you. You're also welcome to include words in writing. I incorporated these questions into my drawing by giving myself a pencil that symbolizes art, which gives me self-worth. I also included a skateboard, which is a fun way that I occupy my time. Just wanted to thank you all for participating. Wanted to thank you all for your time. Just wanted to wish you all and your loved ones nothing but love during this challenging time. Also wanted to say that I'm here, Artworks LA is here, and if there's anything we can do to support you, you know we got your back. And until next time, everybody, peace.